I'm Esme, and this is Polyvine's Exterior Wood Varnish. Now, depending on the time of year, you might be itching to get outside and get your outdoor timber refreshed and ready for summer with a nice fresh coat of varnish. Designed to build up some serious UV protection, your exterior woodwork will be completely safe from fading over time, and the exterior wood varnish is waterproof, allowing preservation from the extremities. Apply 3 coats of exterior wood varnish in satin to achieve the UV protection, but if you prefer a matte finish, then simply apply a 4th and final coat of the dead flat. Thanks so much for watching. For full application instructions, further product information, and to find your local stockist, visit polyvine.com.